Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making s'mores in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here some graham crackers, some Hershey chocolate bars, and some extra large jumbo marshmallows. Let's begin. We're going to take some of the graham crackers out. Looking good. Let's take some of the marshmallows out. We need 3. Then we're going to split it in half. And we're going to stick it onto the graham cracker. Take the sticky part of the marshmallow and stick it onto the graham cracker. Just like that. This is what it looks like before we put it in. Now let's put it in the air fryer. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 370 degrees for a total time of 3 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 3 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking great. Let's take it out. The graham cracker is kind of soft, so you want to use a spatula. Alright, let's take some Hershey chocolate bars and put it on top. Put the other graham cracker on top. Okay, this is what we have today, s'mores made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.